ठीक है। तो टुडे टॉपिक afforations afforation the need of the hour. In the early period of civilization, large part of our country were covered with forests. Uh, the increase of the population the increase of the population of our country has led to the shrinking of forest area. The forests which purify air have been cut down and new cities and industries uh, have been established in their place. The cutting of the forest causes what is called the greenhouse effect. It results in the heating of the earth surface or global warming which has serious consequence for life on this planet. As a result coming as a result as a result coming generation are likely to suffer from incurable incurable disease, and what is extreme, even the existence of humankind might be in danger. Afforestation is the only measure that can be taken to avoid this disastrous disastrous have havocs. We know the चिपको movements यानी कि चिपको आंदोलन was started by Shri Sundarlal Bahuguna Bahuguna to stop indiscriminate felling to tree in the Himalayas, but an all-out effort is needed. We can't trust this responsibility only on the government or on the public institutions or on any particular person. It is the duty of all, and all must work together to make it a success. To make it a success. A planned a planned government effort is needed in every state. The government must invest in the afforestation of hilly and desert areas. It must raise green belt in areas which are subject to rapid erosion. But at the same time, awareness among the common people is greatly needed. Step must be taken to create massive people's movement with involvement of women to achieve the objective and minimize pressure on existing forest. People as a whole must be motivated to regret. हाँ, planting and protections. Planting and protection of tree as social duty. Okay. Spling, sorry, saplings are saplings are planted every year, no doubt, but in absence of proper. Saplings are planted every year, no doubt, but in absence of proper care, they die by the. हाँ मैं खिला रहा हूँ. The next monsoon. सुन रहा है शिव? Who is to look after them? It is general public whose pious duty into water and save every plant growing on the plant growing on the land in their neighborhood. Educational institutions can play a key role in this regard. They can inst- instill in the younger generation the need for planting trees. They can instill in the younger generation the need for planting tree. There are many social organizations who should come forward and promote common people for plantation. These organizations should also help the government so that it may implement its various programs on conservation of forests successfully and rapidly. Our existence is bound up with the trees, and therefore trees must be planted, especially on the road side and near railway track. Forests are important for us. It is unfortunate that we are ignoring its significance and are playing havoc with this one of the most vital aspects of nature. Hence we must be aware of the face and save trees to save our lives and our existence. We very often talk we very often talk on environmental population but do nothing in this regard. Let's take a pledge to plant trees in more and more members and promote others for this noble case. ठीक है, कुछ वर्ड्स नोट्स हैं जैसे प्यूरिफाई मीन्स मेक क्लीन यानी कि शुद्ध करना, इनक्रेडिबल डेट कांट बी कर्ड लाइलाज, मैस्यू मीन्स हग बहुत बड़ा, मिनिमाइज लेसन कम करना, हैव डिजास्टर्स